I've been watching on YouTube. Like every American, Canadian, Mexican. And I saw the all-time most viewed video. Charlie bit my finger. What a disgrace. Some little kid from the UK biting his baby brother's... No. It was the baby brother biting the guy's finger. Yeah, I don't care. Anyway. I'm gonna do the same thing. But the hillbilly way. Here's my tractor. I pimped it out. It's pimping my tractor, bro. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get down, and this tractor's gonna bite my finger. Ready? Ow! Tractor bit my finger. Oh no! Now see, watch. Now tractor's gonna run over me. Oh! Ah! Oh, now tractor broke my ribs and arm. And watch, now the tractor's gonna come back. Oh, that's where I should be. Oh, and now the tractor's gonna park on top of me. Oh, darn. And then, more encore. I was stuck. Alright. Tractor's gonna bite me again. Oh no, the tractor bit me. Now he's gonna run over my pinky finger. Oh man, that's the worst one. He's gonna run over my pinky toe. Oh, wow. And then, I'm gonna get a trophy for my gratitude for surviving. Hillbilly bit my finger. Come over here, sir. Now you see, I did that the good way. And I did it the United States way.
I agree.
Without eating a hamburger. Thank you. More Mr. Desertman to come.
And Beasley 12400.